Hello, I'm Jordan from Miro AI Studio. With Miro, you can structure tablet flows, test layout ideas, interaction patterns, and collaborate with your team before committing to high-fidelity design. To get started, open a Miro board and click Create Prototype. In your prompt, describe what you need. For example, design a multi-screen tablet checkout experience with a product overview, shipping options, and payment screen. If you've selected content on your board, like sticky notes, a flow diagram, or a PRD, Miro automatically includes that context in your prompt. In a few minutes, Miro AI will generate an editable wireframe with layouts designed for tablet screens. This isn't just a resized mobile screen. It's a visual starting point that gives you space to think through navigation, content hierarchy, and interactions that would otherwise make sense on a larger, more flexible interface. When prototyping for a tablet, consider the context of use. Tablets are often shared devices used in meetings, on the go, or while multitasking. Use that insight to influence layout decisions, like larger touch targets, clearer visual hierarchy, or split-screen friendly designs. If you have a reference to build from, like a screen from your product or a competitor, just drag in a screenshot and convert it with Miro AI. You'll get an editable layout, formatted for tablet and ready to customize. From there, it's easy to tweak the content, swap components, and build out your flow using the prototyping library. Everything stays editable, flexible, and in your control. And because you're in Miro, it's easy to bring in teammates for early feedback. Stakeholders, devs, and designers can comment, adjust flows, and help move things forward, all in the same space where the ideas began. Try prototyping tablet experiences in Miro today. Click the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.